Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download cool wallpapers for Android. So here I am on my Android phone and I'm just heading over to the themes option in here. And as you can see, I'm in my Galaxy themes. And if you got a Samsung here, you can also go to the Galaxy themes and go to the wallpaper section on the bottom right corner. And here you will find tons of free wallpapers. You can just search for according to your taste. You can always use some animated lock screen too, and some video lock screen, video wallpaper you can use. And there's a lot to pick from. So just pick one of them and use it for your phone. So let's say I'm downloading this one. So how can you download? You have to just tap on the download option in here, and it is currently downloading, as you can see. Once it is downloaded, it will be available on my Samsung's wallpapers. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Let me show you the final result. And yeah, as you can see, the download is complete. And if you want to apply, just tap on apply and it will be on your phone screen. I hope this video helped you out. And if you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.